Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide phone number on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide your phone number on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone, and over here on this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and on this interface again tap on the settings option just below the saved messages. Tap on settings, and you can see the privacy and security option available for us just below the chat settings. Tap on privacy and security, and on this interface you can see there is a phone number option available for us under privacy category, and tap on the phone number option available for us. In order to proceed to hide your phone number from everybody, tap on the nobody over here and tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen, and then nobody will be able to find your phone number or view your phone number on Telegram. And there guys, this is how to hide your phone number on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.